Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate using dark compound. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and equipment ready, such as 200 grams of dark compound, a heat-proof bowl, and a spatula. A clean, dry workspace is crucial for success. We will cover the entire process, from melting to setting, in just a few easy steps, making delicious homemade chocolate accessible to everyone. To begin, chop your dark compound into small, roughly 1-inch pieces for even melting. You can use a double boiler, ensuring the water does not touch the bowl, or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well each time. The key is gentle, slow heating. Avoid high temperatures to prevent the chocolate from seizing or burning, which can ruin its texture and flavor. Once melted and smooth, you can customize your chocolate. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, or even some chopped nuts for added texture. Carefully pour the warm chocolate into your chosen molds, filling them about 3/4 full. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, professional finish. Finally, let your chocolate set. For best results, allow it to cool and harden at room temperature for at least 1 hour. If you are in a hurry, you can place the molds in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once firm, carefully unmold your chocolates. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 2 weeks to maintain their freshness and quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.